Hey, my third grade mathematicians. Well, welcome to another day focusing on measuring and data. We're going to take a look at our math focus points for today, and then we'll get started. All right, so our math focus points for today include understanding the relationship between feet and inches, using correct notation to write a measurement in feet and inches, and summarizing what is typical about the data set as a whole. Okay, so we're going to start off today looking at some measurements, and let me go back whole here. All right, so I actually did an activity that you were doing, and I jumped from one spot of the room to the other and measured how far I jumped, and this is what it looked like. Go. So I chose 2 rulers to measure my jumps. Okay, let me back this up, scoot it over so you can see. There you go. All right, so the red line represents how far I jumped. Okay, so how far would you say that I jumped? I bet you're thinking different answers, and I bet they are all correct. So let's talk about different ways I can write how far I jumped. I'm going to move me up here. There we go. Oh. All right. So one way you can say that I jumped, or one way you can record how I jumped, is I jumped 12 inches plus 6 more inches. And 12 plus 6 is 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So I jumped 18 inches. Okay? All right. What is another way I could record how far I jumped? Well, I know that 12 inches is equal to 1 foot. So I did jump 1 foot. And how many more inches? 6 inches. Okay. Another way to write 1 foot and 6 inches, this goes to our math focus points of writing the notation, is 1 foot, you put 1 apostrophe, 6 inches, and you put quotations. 1 foot, 6 inches. Okay, now remember the abbreviation for inches, 18 inches, or you could write it as 18 inches. Okay, so make sure that as we are measuring, that you know the different ways that you can write a measurement, and of course if you are looking and analyzing measurements, that this is what you could see. You could see abbreviations, you could see it written out, you could see the symbols. Okay? All right, so I'm excited to continue today with looking at our measurements and analyzing data. So I will catch you in the next video. And we'll continue our learning. Bye, guys.